Hey YouTubers, Trip6 here. Uh, if you've seen some of my videos, you've seen my cars after I've finished them. Well, this time, I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to start off and show you the build from beginning to end. Now, starting with pre-painted, I painted this a while ago, Traxxas 1/16th, Boss 302 Mustang. I got a chassis here. Not much been done to it. It's got some HPI belted radial tires on it. Got a set of Venom push rods and toe links on the front and rear. Already has the transmission in it, axles, all that good stuff. What I want to do is I basically want to build a high-speed car. So, basic plans, I'm going to do a dual steering servo. I'm going to stuff a 5700 kV Castle Creations motor in here, 1/10 scale, with a Sidewinder ESC. I got them laying around, figure why not. Run two 2S lipos to it. Put some super tall gearing on it, get the most speed. But my main concern is aerodynamics. See the front of that car? Flat. It's going to create drag. Nah, we'll get around that by just basically pushing more power to it. But I want some downforce. So I basically flipped the car over, figured I got two good mounting points here, and I'm going to build a front splitter. I started off, these are all kind of cut up now because started off with a little drawing basically that showed where the foam was at, where the body sat, where the fender wells right here started. So it kind of gave me an idea. So I took all that, drew it, put it on some cardboard, came up with, this is the fender wells, the outline of the front of the body, there's the foam, and the two mounting points on that piece right here. So I'm going to go up to Home Depot, Lowe's, and probably get some 18-20 gauge aluminum or steel, and figure out the shape I need and cut it out. Now the foam sits a little higher than the body, so when the body's on, like so, I'm going to have to bring it out, lip it up, flatten it. I'm also, on like the X01, on the sides here, bring up some splitters off the side. Also, I noticed in the back here, in the car, when air's coming underneath of it, all this air is just hitting this back bumper. So to cure that, take a piece of metal, go from here to here, create a L shape, come across around the back of the tire, follow this line back around here, follow it up back here, and create a plate. Also, on here, I'm going to go from here to this nice little lip right in here and back around on both sides to basically encase this whole bottom in so air streams underneath of it, basically like the X01 has. If you look at my X01, it's got basically what I'm going to do to the front. Nice little splitter up and over. And if you look underneath, nothing, just flat. And then in the back, they basically have the same thing. There's no nothing to catch air. I may add, because in the rear of the Mustang it's going to be at a slight angle like this. I may add some fins like on the X01. So that's what I got for now. Got a body, got a transmission, got some shocks, arms. Don't know if I'm going to be using these wheels or tires or not. Switch over to foams. Don't know yet. But leave some comments, some suggestions, and we'll see where it goes from there. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Mustang build. This is Trip 6. Peace.